Students, good morning. Hope I'm audible to each and every one. Good morning. Hope I'm audible to each and every one. Yes. So, am I audible enough? Am I audible to all? Am I audible to all students? Yes. Can you see question number 4, students? Can you see question number 4? Can you see question number 4? Can you see question number 4? Question number 4 is visible to everyone. Yeah. So please note down question number 4. Please note down question number 4. Dear students, please note down question number 4. I request everyone, please note down question number 4. So once it's done, you can tell me in the chat, done करके message डाल दो. Once it's done, come to chat and tell me done. So I request everyone, please note down question number 4. I request everyone, please note down question number 4. Once it's done, please tell me in the chat, done करके लिख दो. Students, please note down question number 4. So dear students, please note down question number 4. If it is done, please tell me in the chat. Students, if it is done, please tell me in the chat, done करके मैसेज डाल दो. Yes. What about others? Is it done, students? Yeah, wait. Yeah. Yeah. Yes, students, I'll wait. I'll wait. Don't worry. So, students, done. Done, students. Yeah. Vaishnavi, it's done. What about the other students? Mrinalini, is it done? Mrinalini, is it done? So, dear students, from the following data, calculate break-even point. From the following data, calculate break-even point expressed in amount of sales and in rupees. Sales in rupees. Number of units that must be sold to earn profit of rupees 1,60,000 per year. Selling price rupees 20 per unit. Then variable manufacturing cost rupees 11 per unit, variable selling cost rupees 3 per unit, fixed factory overhead rupees 5,40,000 per year, fixed selling cost rupees 2,52,000 per year. So there are two fixed cost, two variable cost. Selling price is given. Okay. So how to proceed? Please tell me how to proceed. Please tell me how to proceed. So can we go for the solution, students, then? Hope I'm audible to each and everyone. Hope I'm audible to each and everyone. First thing is that you have to go for a table, students. You have to go for table. You have to go for table. let's insert one table. That will be the working note. That will be the working note table. Just a minute. Insert one design. Let me add one design. Yeah. इसका अंदर हम लोग टेबल सेट करेंगे. इंसर्ट टेबल. Let's insert one table इसका अंदर. Let's insert one table here. Let's insert one table now. Can you see that? Yes. Can you see my slide, students? Can you see my slide? Is my slide is visible to all? Yeah. Is my slide is visible, students? Yes. So now let's maintain a working note here. Right side में working note लिखेंगे. What is the first thing? That is sales. You know that. But selling price per unit दिया है. Selling price दिया है. ठीक है. Selling price is given. Selling price दिया है ₹20. Selling price is ₹20. Correct? Selling price is ₹20. Correct? Less variable cost. Less variable cost. Yes, variable cost में दो variable cost है. Can you tell me two? Both the cost. दोनों variable cost को बता दो. One is ₹11 and other one is ₹3. Correct? Is 3. So total variable cost will be ₹14. Can you tell me contribution, students? Can you tell me contribution? Please tell me the contribution amount. Please tell me contribution amount. Students, please tell me contribution amount. What is the contribution amount? What is the amount of contribution? What is the amount of contribution? 20 minus 14, ₹6. So the contribution amount is ₹6. Is it correct, students? Is 6. Less fixed cost तो करना ही है, लेकिन we don't have fixed cost. Per unit में fixed cost नहीं है. But we cannot deduct it because it is not per unit में नहीं दिया है. It's a yes amount wise दिया है, total amount wise दिया है. Please tell me. Fixed cost दो amount wise दिया है. What is the total fixed cost? Please tell me. 5,40,000 plus rupees 2,52,000. What is the total? Total कितना होगा? What is the total? Total fixed cost कितना होगा बच्चों? It is 7,92,92,000. Okay. Please remember, we cannot write it in the outer column because this is the total amount, not the per unit amount. It's not per unit, it is total. Let's keep it inner column. Let's keep it in inner column. Let's keep it in inner column. I hope it's clear. Yeah. Fixed cost. Let's keep it in inner column. So our first question is find out contribution and break-even point. Correct है ना? Find out. Sorry, break-even point. Contribution तो हम लोगों ने किया है. Find out break-even point. Can anybody tell me break-even point calculate करने से पहले first क्या चाहिए हमें? What is exactly required? Break-even point से पहले first what do you require? What do you require first before break-even point? What is required before break-even point? Please tell me. I request everyone, what is required before break-even point? Quick. PV ratio sure? Only 3 answer I got. PV ratio sure? So, your first calculation should be PV ratio. याद रखो. Because without PV ratio, you cannot go for break-even point. What is the formula? Which formula is applicable today? Can we apply contribution divided by sales or changes in profit upon changes in sale? Which formula is relevant today? Which formula is relevant today? Contribution. Divided by sales into 100. Please tell me what is the contribution? 6 rupees. Sales 20 rupees into 100. So what is the percentage? What is the percentage you are getting? The percentage you are getting? Yes, 30% sure. 6 by 20 into 100. Second question. Now you can go for break-even point. Now you can go for break-even point. Break-even point. Tell me the formula. Break-even point का formula बता दो. I think break-even point expressed in amount of sales. So sales में दिया है. मतलब it is in sales. So sales या rupees में बोलने के लिए बोला है. Sales और rupees. Please tell me the answer. Quick. Sales or rupees. So formula will be fixed cost divided by, please remember, if the unit information is there, then contribution divided होता है contribution per unit. अगर आपको sales चाहिए तो divided by PV ratio. नॉट ओनली हियर, इवन इन आप डिजायर्ड सेल में जाएंगे तो भी यही फॉर्मूला है, एक्सपेक्ट सेल में भी जाएंगे तो भी यही सेम चीज आपको याद करना है. So fixed cost divided by PV ratio. PV ratio. What is the PV ratio? That is, you should remember. So is it correct, students? Is it correct then? Yes. Can we go for the next question? Can we go for the next question? So your answer is 26,40,000, correct? Okay. And the third question is, third question, let's go for the third question. Third in the sense, first one, just for your note, you have calculated PV ratio. Okay. Let's go for the next one. Next, go for the next one. Go for the third question. Number of units sold to earn a profit of rupees 1,60,000 per year. Please remember this. It means, so this is a profit. So this point is profit. Remember. So this is, yes, this is the profit ka formula. So you're supposed to calculate expected sales wala formula. Sale is equal to, expected sale is equal to, tell me, cost, fixed cost plus expected profit cost upon fixed expected profit divided by, can anybody tell me divided by क्या, divided by क्या होता है, please tell me, divided by. Somshekhar, you are there? Saurav, Somshekhar, you are there? Tell me yes or no in the chat box. Saurav, Somshekhar, you are there? Yeah, later on, somebody inform him कि you have just joined for namesake करके, ठीक है? Yeah. Now, can anybody tell me the what is the next yes part formula का next part क्या है? Can anybody tell me expected sales is equal to fixed cost plus expected profit divided by what? Divided by what? Actually PV ratio. Actually PV ratio. But today PV ratio. But today we are not going to consider PV ratio because the question is number of units. Question is number of units. Question is number of units. See, question is number of units. When the question is number of units, आपको ब्रेक इवन पॉइंट में भी पता है नंबर ऑफ यूनिट्स का क्वेश्चन है तो व्हाट कैन वी अप्लाई, यू टेल मी व्हाट वी कैन अप्लाई. यूनिट्स का क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं तो क्या अप्लाई कर सकते हैं इंस्टेड ऑफ पीवी रेशियो. अगर ब्रेक इवन कैन यू यस कैन यू रिकॉल ब्रेक इवन पॉइंट. कैन यू रिकॉल ब्रेक इवन पॉइंट. अगर ब्रेक इवन पॉइंट ही पूछते तो क्या करते थे आप. इन केस फॉर एग्जाम्पल इधर ही मैं दिखा देता हूं. इफ द ब्रेक इवन पॉइंट, अगर ये थर्ड क्वेश्चन जस्ट फॉर योर रेफरेंस में बना रहा हूं और थर्ड क्वेश्चन जस्ट मैं इधर ही लिख देता हूं. इफ द ब्रेक इवन पॉइंट, अगर आपको यूनिट्स में पूछते तो व्हाट वुड यस व्हाट वुड बी द फॉर्मूला. फॉर्मूला क्या होता था यूनिट्स में पूछते तो. आर यू सपोज टू अप्लाई सेम फॉर्मूला फिक्स कॉस्ट अपॉन पीवी रेशियो. आर यू सपोज टू अप्लाई सेम फॉर्मूला फिक्स कॉस्ट अपॉन पीवी रेशियो या नो. Your formula would be different. In that case, your formula would be different. In that case, your formula would be different. In that case, your formula, yes, of course, correct, Pinky. Your answer would be fixed cost divided by contribution per unit. ये आपका फॉर्मूला होता था. अगर ब्रेक इवन पॉइंट इन यूनिट्स में पूछते तो सो प्लीज रिमेंबर ब्रेक इवन पॉइंट इन यूनिट्स में पूछेंगे तो कंट्रीब्यूशन पर यूनिट होता है. करेक्ट. कंट्रीब्यूशन पर यूनिट होता है. करेक्ट. यस. सो इधर यूनिट्स पूछा तो प्लीज नोट, इधर यूनिट्स पूछा तो आई विल मार्क इट रेड. उसको रेड में लिख देता हूं. यस. या शुड आई टेक इन अदर कलर, या ग्रीन में ले लेता हूं. इफ यूनिट्स में पूछा तो इधर आपको कंट्रीब्यूशन पर यूनिट से डिवाइड करना है. क्वेश्चन यूनिट है तो कंट्रीब्यूशन पर यूनिट. अगर सेल्स पूछा तो सेल्स पूछ लिया तो आपको पीवी रेशियो क्या कैलकुलेट करना है पीवी रेशियो के हिसाब से. सो इज इट क्लियर. इतना सबको क्लियर है क्या स्टूडेंट्स. इज इट क्लियर टू यू. इज इट क्लियर. सेल्स पूछा तो पीवी रेशियो, यूनिट पूछा तो कंट्रीब्यूशन पर यूनिट. इज इट ओके. Is it correct, students? Is it correct? So now they have asked yes. Now they have asked units. So I cannot take PV ratio. So let's some modification will be there, like contribution per unit will be that answer. Contribution per unit will be the answer because number of units है तो contribution per unit will be the answer. Please remember. Number of unit है तो contribution per unit will be the answer. खाली कलर को अच्छे से पढ़ लो. Is equal to fixed cost. What is the fixed cost? Total fixed cost 7 lakh 92,000. And one more thing you might have observed, this problem is the modification of break-even point formula. Yes, expected profit is given in the question itself, 1,60,000 divided by contribution per unit. Contribution per unit rupees 6. What is the answer? What is the answer? What is the answer you are getting? This is a working note, students. The working note. What is the answer you are getting? How many units? What is the answer, students? How many units you are getting? Please tell me. Answer. One lakh 58,667 units. Please remember, it's not rupees, units. So this is all about the answer. Any doubt you can ask me now. I hope it's clear to you. So only one thing is that contribution per unit is very important. अगर unit पूछा तो information unit में तो contribution per unit होना चाहिए. Is it clear, students? 1,58,667 units. Correct? Is it clear, students? So this is the fourth question. Is it clear? Let's go for the yes. Please take screenshot of this problem. Let's go for the next question. Let's go for the next question. So this is question number 4. Go to the next small problem. Small problem. This is question number 5. Students, question number 5 is visible. Question number 5 is visible. Question number 5 is visible to all. Yes. So do you want to take screenshot of question number 4? Do you want to see question number 4? अगर आपको question number 4 देखना है तो you can check. अगर आपको question number yes, अगर आपको question number 4 देखना है तो देख सकते हो. You can take the screenshot also. You can take the screenshot. Now we are going for question number 5. Question number 5. I request everyone, if you want to take screenshot of question number 4, please take it. If you want to take screenshot of question number 4, Please take it. So is it done, students? Question number 4 का स्क्रीनशॉट निकाल दिया आपने? Is it done? Question number 4 का स्क्रीनशॉट is yes. क्या कर रहे हो? Yeah. Am I audible to all students? Am I audible to all? Am I audible to all students? Clear? Is it clear? My voice is clear to everyone? Yeah. Now, requesting you, please solve question number 5. Small problem, a small problem. Question number 5, small problem. Quick. 2 मिनट में खत्म हो जाएगा. Quick. We have to end as soon as possible. Quick. Please note down question number 5. Students, I hope you are writing this problem. I hope you are writing this problem. Students, I hope you are writing this problem. If it is done, please tell me in the chat. Done करके chat में लिख दो. Done. Chat में done करके लिख दो. Quick. So I got just 5 minutes. So let me start. Selling price is 20 rupees. Selling price is 20 rupees. Variable cost is 10 rupees. So my contribution will be 10. Of course, my contribution will be 10. Fixed cost is given. It is in rupees. So fixed cost given, it is rupees. It is in rupees. Rupees 1 lakh is 4 lakh, correct? We cannot deduct per unit answer from the total answer. पर यूनिट आंसर एंड टोटल आंसर हम लोग ये नहीं कर सकते, मैच नहीं कर सकते. लेट इट बी एज इट इज. सो योर फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज find out margin of safety. So margin of safety, sorry, find out break even point. So break even point calculate करना है तो पीवी रेशियो जरूरी, यस जरूरत है. तो पीवी रेशियो फॉर्मूला contribution divided by sales. The first question का फॉर्मूला, करेक्ट? फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन करेक्ट. Contribution divided by sales into 100, correct? So please tell me contribution amount, that is 10 divided by 20 into 100. What is the percentage? 10 by 20. Sure, 50%. I'm sure 50%. Is it correct, students? So your contribution is over. Is it correct? So break even point. Break even point in sales. Students, is it correct? Is it correct answer? Break even point sales formula, fixed cost divided by PV ratio. So I'm asking everyone, is it correct, students? This much is correct? Cost is 4 lakh divided by PV ratio is 50%. Answer is rupees. Dear students, is it correct? This much is correct or not? This much is correct or not? Is it correct? Break even point is 8 lakh. 4 lakh divided by 50%. Let's go for the second question. Margin of safety. Margin of safety, you know one more formula. So in this case, they have given profit and PV ratio. So when profit and PV ratios both are given, your formula will be profit upon PV ratio. You remember margin of safety के लिए one more formula है, profit upon PV ratio. Profit. Yes. Please remember the profit and PV ratio both are given. That profit is 20,000 and PV ratio is 40%. Much? 20,000 and 40%. 20,000 and 40%. What is the answer? Rupees. Okay, rupees 50,000 is the answer. Correct. तो कलर, यस, आप कलर में देख लो, अच्छे से देख लो. रुपीज 50,000 इज द आंसर. करेक्ट. Done. So any doubt? So that's it. We are done with the problem. If you have any doubt, you can ask me, students. We are done with the problem. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Let me share attendance link. Please mark your attendance. Quick. So